Now, I like this part of the Bible because it says the deceiver of the whole world, Satan, the deceiver of the whole world. And he was thrown down onto this earth with his angels. To all you people that don't like the Bible, I don't want to bore you with the details of the Bible. I mean, the war that they have in heaven is only just an epic battle between good and evil. And God ends up winning, but he casts them out of heaven and he throws them all out. And then when they land on earth, people are wondering, like, what just happened? What just went down? Why are there people flying down from the heavens onto the ground, onto the earth? Now, when they got down here, Lucifer was jealous of God. So he started doing anything he could to defy him. And he can't make and create like God can. He is a false God with a lowercase g. But he would try as hard as he could to defy God. So him and his fallen angels are down on earth, just mating with all the humans, creating these monstrosities, these monsters that are referred to as the Nephilim. Now, the Nephilim were giants. They were beasts. They were the titans. They were monsters of the land. God had had enough. He was furious that they defied him in every way possible. Not only did they start a war in heaven, but they started a war on earth. Lucifer had destroyed and contaminated everything. He had turned everyone against God. Everyone except for Noah and his family. God liked the way that Noah moved. So he told him from the heavens, he said, Noah, listen, I'm going to flood this place out because Lucifer has gone crazy. He started a war in heaven. He came down here. He started a war down here. I've had enough. I'm flooding the joint, but you're the only good thing left. You're the only good thing left. Now, I like this part of the Bible because it says the deceiver of the whole world, Satan, the deceiver of the whole world. And he was thrown down onto this earth with his angels. When he deceived everybody, God had him put in his pit. But you got to remember, he comes out of his pit for a short season, and he is a deceiver. He deceives everyone. So maybe that explains why every single thing is fake. Or, I don't know, maybe not. But anyway, this is for your entertainment. Hit follow.